Hi there, I'm going to be adding a little carbon fiber to this here key fob. This is the pieces I'm going to be adding. These are genuine OEM key fob covers. They're carbon fiber, obviously. You can get these directly from Mazda, and I've put a link below in the description to take you right there. They're about $45 for the cover. It's also a good time to change your battery. This needs a 2032. There's also a link for that in the description. So first thing you want to do is slide this back half off. Put your thumb here, slide that over, and just kind of do like that. Now go ahead and grab your mechanical key, and you can push right here. This little tab right here, just push very firmly, and that back half will pop off. Then you can take your new carbon fiber piece, insert the tab there, press it in really firmly. In this piece, there's the 3 notches there, 3 notches there. Oh, gotta put my mechanical key back in. And we're all set. Looks much better in my opinion. Hope you enjoyed, and there's links to everything I used in the description. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.